Good morning, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, all my good New York City people. This is your favorite entrepreneur, reporter, middle name Frank, and we are out here in Staten Island, New York City, with news of the storm of the century. It's been coming down now for approximately an hour and a half. It's only about 6:30 a.m. It's still pitch black outside, but we're on the field covering the latest snowstorm here, up bright and early. So if you are rising this Sunday morning, look outside. The scenery is beautiful. The snow is coming down, and it will be coming down continuously for the next 24 hours, according to the EFI 12th Floor Entertainment Library Storm Tracker. Finally, the highly anticipated storm we've been awaiting for 2 weeks, the largest storm since 1996, has hit the tri-state, the 5 boroughs, and we're filled with excitement, folks. Because we like the snow, we love the snow, we embrace the snow. So get out there, take the sled, take the dog, and enjoy the snow. God bless middle name Frank, the first reporter to cover this storm in Staten Island. Everybody else is still sleeping in their warm, comfortable beds. But we're out here in the midst of action, in the eye of the storm, keeping you guys updated. And if you are new and you're not familiar with the EFI 12th Floor Entertainment Library, take 2 seconds, subscribe below. God bless. Thank you for tuning in, and have a safe day, folks.